Guys, today we're working on a 2007 Honda Pilot. Customer complaints was some noise, and I heard that it was coming from the timing belt. So I got it all apart already. So I want to show you guys how, how loose this belt is for right now. So then we can fire up. But let's see if I can show you better. Well, you see, that's quite a bit of play. That's a lot of play. And also right here, see, almost let's see, almost I can almost get it out from the water pump, which is this one. But you can see it's very loose. So let's see on the other side. This is a little more tension. Let's see, here is good, but I think that's a lot of plate. Let's see. So let's check out about where the tension there is. I think that's what our problem is, but let's take a look. Okay. Sorry about the movement. Okay. So let's see. The tension there, as you can see, is way too far in. Like it's not even sticking out much at all. I'm gonna try to press it. See if we can. I don't know if we can pick in it. I don't know if it shows in the camera, but I'm able to press it a little bit. It's hard to. I don't know if it shows, but let's fire up and see where the noise is coming from. Let's give it a shot. Okay, let's fire up and see. You can hear the rattle. Can you hear it? So let's take a look. As you can see, you can hear all the movement. See how the tension moves up and down like too much. Let's take a look. Moving too much. So the hydraulic tension there, this is tension already. So that's the piston going up and down. So that's our problem. So we'll have to talk to the customer and then do a timing belt kit, replace the tensioner, the oiler, and the whole kit and the water pump. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you where the noise is coming from, and for you guys that maybe have this kind of noise on these pilots or Honda Odysseys, so you know where to look at. We'll check the timing and make sure everything is okay, and we get it fixed and we can get back on the road. But that's the noise. As you guys can see, all the play of the tension. Okay? Let's look at it again from the bottom. That's our noise, where it's coming from. Alright? So see you guys in the next one. We'll get our timing belt kit to replace all the components in the water pump and get this one back on the road. See you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye.